Hi everyone, my name is Amanda. I am from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I am currently a case manager at a homeless shelter for families. I actually completed my first my field placement there, and then stayed on as a full-time case manager. So I've been there for just about a year now. What I hope to get out of this class is just a deeper understanding of trauma and how it relates to our clients, how it maybe impacts the the brain, and then of course the more practical intervention methods that we can use when working with clients who have been diagnosed with sort of traumatic disorder. In terms of the future, the shelter that I'm at actually, like I said, practices trauma-informed care. And the trauma-informed care model is called the sanctuary model. And I've really seen how beneficial it is for both staff and residents. And especially because the rate of exposure to trauma is so high among the homeless population that almost every resident that I come in contact with has had, like I said, has been exposed to trauma, or actually currently feeling traumatized just simply through the act of being homeless. So, as you know, I've really decided that homelessness is the population that I would like to continue working with moving forward, and therefore, just like I said, how prevalent exposure to trauma is within that population. I feel like this is something that I really need to have a, a grasp on moving forward. So, three things I need to do to take care of myself. One, well, definitely sleep more. Having two children and a full-time job means that I do not sleep as well as I would like, but it will certainly be something I will try and do. Um, Two more things is I would love to try and commit to being just more physically active. I don't know if I can commit to the gym, but maybe doing something more like taking walks or being more active in the garden. Things that kind of get me away from my cell phone and away from work, and just being a little bit more in the moment. And the third thing is something I would like to do for myself is read. On top of everything else I have to read for school, I truly enjoy just kind of reading um, works of fiction and kind of getting lost in those stories. So, all right, well, good luck with the course. Look forward to working with you all over the next 7 weeks.